kasi I've been in a marriage na talagang
Siguro
sobrang...
during the time na marriage life, hindi ka malapit sa Panginoon.
Not kasi I work like a dog. Yung wala akong time, puro anak ko, trabaho ba?
That's why, you know what? Life is too short. So, kailangan natin naman.
Yeah, I told you that later, right? I mean,
Kailangan natin tapos na. Ano ba naman yan? Ayoko nang gano'n.
to be wasted.
And you know what, Gina? Kailangan naman natin ang ano natin is
Why be interested in other
physically,
religions?
mentally,
Regardless of where you
emotionally,
live, you have no doubt.
spiritually,
Balance.
sexually.
What? No doubt.
Oo, totoo.
You have no
well,
doubt.
well said.
Well
For
said, because
yourself.
that's number one.
Our religion is the life of millions of people.
Yes, sa totoo yun.
Pero ang sabi sa akin ng brother ko, tsaka ng mama ko, it is in God's will na mangyari sa amin yun. Totoo kaya yun. Do you agree with that, Sir Mark?
What's that again? Sorry?
My parents,
Pero kung sa
my
akin, hindi.
parents.
Ang God's will, ang binibigay ng Panginoon para for your
Betterment.
for your not for worst.
Oh, ang sabi nga ng
kung ibigay ng
ko,
Panginoon for evil, hindi yan Panginoon ang nag-work sa iyo.
ang sabi nga ng family ko, especially my brother, my mother, nasa God's will daw talaga mangyayari yan. Kasi nakukulog na ako sa
But if
relationship
you
na.
believe in God talaga na
Hindi, I don't think na ganun yung
doing
explanation, no.
good for you,
I mean,
kahit anong mangyari
when
sa
God
iyo.
gave us any situation, it would be for our, di ba, sa loving God, I don't think He wants us to, I mean,
suffer.
to suffer like that. And if you are in such position that you think you're suffering, there's a reason for that you have to learn.
And
Because,
always remember that sufferings does not come from Jehovah.
yeah.
Yung
There's
nasabi
always
rin ko nang
some-
galing sa aking
Hindi,
ex-husband.
hindi yan ang
No, you
galing
blame
sa'yo.
it on others.
Ako pa nasabi rin ko galing sa sarili ko kasi pinahirapan ko
Hindi
yung
naman nagbibigay ng suffering.
It's a reflection for you, mommy.
And if you
Time to move
Why-
on.
if you will take a look sa life ni Jesus Christ, di ba? He suffered naman eh.
blame people
For a cause, di ba? Para at least
Pero alam mo, ito lang masasabi ko, alam mo pinaghandaan ko sana. Hindi ko
How can you
talaga...
prepare for that?
Kagaya naman ngayon, we need to prepare ourselves, di ba? For,
you never wish
di ba?
to have that.
For the last supper.
Only the things that we wish are the things that we need to prepare. I don't think you wish for
Hindi ko
something.
talaga alam mo.
That's why,
That's
dito
why
talaga
wala
tayo sa earth,
preparation.
prepare mo ng self mo sa kingdom of God.
Correct.
Diba? I told Jehovah, I told God, na sabi ko, alam mo, naghanda sana ako, tingnan mo, natututuloy
Whatever
ako.
names you
Oo, sabi ko,
address
alam mo,
to your
Papa-
God, but if your faith is still
Alam mo,
inside your heart, is within your heart,
Oo.
walang ano.
Sabi ko nga, Papa Jesus, sabi ko ganyan, na ano ko, nilibing ako ng asawa ko ng buhay.
ibabangon ka niya.
Hinayaan niya akong tumayo sa
God
sarili
will
kong
lift you or,
Oo, pagising ko sa umaga, he's not there for 20 years, we've been together.
Did you ever think that your husband is suffering? I mean, for the 20 years that he was with you, did you ever think that when you wake
Your
up
past will
and
be
he was thinking how this
Correct.
life is without
But you
Jesus?
know what, Gina?
lazy pa ba yun?
It's very
I'm sure lazy for me. 20 years, that's not, that's something,
Ano,
already.
let's enjoy life,
I think
diba?
he's also having
Don't dwell.
adjustment of his
To 12 things on
Oh,
earth.
yun.
Which
Anyway,
can
it
cause,
happened.
We have to move on. Life is too short.
Life is wonderful.
Life is too short.
Narinig
Seize the
ako-
moment.
Hindi mo
Start
ba
with
alam,
that line.
narinig ako ng
Start with him.
ng foreigner habang nasa lift ako. Sabi
Nasaan?
ko, kasi may nagkwento
Habang nasaan?
sa lift.
Ang
Sa
Elevator. Oh, British eh.
Very British.
Yeah, exactly.
Meron ako
Sabi niya sa akin, sabi
sige,
ko,
go ahead.
dahil may nagkwentuhan kami ni Mami Mari ata. Sabi ko, life is wonderful, Mami. Ano kami sa akin ang foreigner?
Ano sabi?
Sabi niya, yes, exactly. So
Oh,
you should
diba?
enjoy.
Correct.
Why?
No reason for you not to.
Yeah, of course.
Is it trying to imply something?
Baka tapos pinapakapit pero ano.
Oh my God. That is not, ano,
That's what came to my mind kasi akala ko yun
Parang
yung
Sharon
sinasabi niya.
Stone nung tsaka si Michael Douglas sa elevator.
Oo.
You should enjoy.
Ang movie, Mami.
Ano?
Cheers.
Take it.
Oh, I'm very sorry. So we need one.
Somebody's calling me. Sorry.
Ako yun.
Hello.
Masyado tayo maingay.
Oh.
May tayo sa puno.
Sige. Sorry.
I like this book. It's interesting. It's yeah, informative.
It is.
Informative.
More
Hindi
on
preachy.
history. Huh?
Hindi preachy.
No, it's more on history. The last part would be kind of like
Pero alam
preaching,
mo,
but It's only a small portion of the book. What's the title again? Can I just take
Mankind
a shot of-
Search for God.
Okay. Well, if you have any questions to that about that book, then
Maraming benefactors ng Jehovah's Witness.
what do you mean like benefactors?
Sino nag-finance ng mga ganito?
Breakdown.
Voluntary donations. Mm-mm.
Talagang
Everything that we do is supported by voluntary, primarily by the members themselves, and the public can also donate if they want to.
Sa brother ko.
Can you name a few rich?
Wala na si
Jehovah's Witnesses.
Yes.
Kung makita mo yung tsura ko.
Actually, we don't really
Expose or
not exposed, but we don't really know who's rich or not, because we don't really look at the material thing.
do you know of any big time CEO, for example, who is a Jehovah?
I know there are, but I don't know them personally.
My heart was broken.
Name a few.
Name of
In
you.
the world.
No, I don't know their names. I know Michael Jackson's mother is a Jehovah's Witness.
Mother niya?
Yeah.
Talaga?
And then, you know Selena, right?
Selena, yung namatay?
Yeah, the one that just died. Her mother was